Today we're at the inaugural Women in Golf reception hosted by Golf Fairfax in honor of Women in Golf Month. We have over 200 ladies who have come out to enjoy our free mini clinics, guest speakers, exhibit areas, and networking opportunities to build our golfing community. We are doing this event not only for golfers who have been golfing for years, but also to welcome beginners and newbies looking to get into the sport. So today we have mini clinics going on that are hosted by our various golf instructors at our 7 golf courses. We have a putting clinic, chipping clinic, a Callaway demo demonstration, as well as yoga for golfers and a junior golf clinic. We hope women walk away with some new friends and some new information about our 7 golf courses and the various lady-specific opportunities that we have. You're definitely good enough to get onto the course. We don't want anybody to be intimidated. We want them to be able to feel comfortable about playing 9 holes or 18, going to the driving range, and really just trying a new sport or getting re-involved or continuing to enjoy the sport they've played for years. To find out more information on Women in Golf Fairfax, you can visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov/parks/golf.